In this video, I'm going to show you how to use video generation on Vivago AI. Now to do this, first you want to open up your app, then you want to go to the bottom where you can see a bunch of different buttons and you want to tap on template. Now when you do this, up top you can see there's image generation and then you have video generation next to it. So just tap on video generation, which is the top right button. And when you do this over here, you can either start with a first frame, which is optional. So you can tap on the plus button over here to actually get the first frame, or you can just go and describe your video content. So for this one over here, I'm just going to type in, let's just do a popcorn getting made in an oven, okay, something like this. Now I'm gonna go to the bottom over here where you can see you can do a bunch of different things. You can change the model you want to use, you can go and change your resolution, your of course how you want it to display, and then how long you want your video to be. Okay, so over here of course you can switch this to quality, resolution, whatever you want to do here, and as you can see there's a bunch of options. You have 360p or 1080p. The ratio can be vertical or horizontal or square, and then duration could be 5 or 10 seconds. And then over here you have a bunch of different models, and we're going to use Vivago AI right now, and I'm just going to tap on this button over here, which is going to be the arrow you can see, so the right arrow over here. And what this is going to do is it's going to start initiating my task, and as you can see, there we go, it's going to start generating. Now it's going to be quick or slow depending on the current queue, but for me over here you can see it's already at 5%, so I'll just hop to whenever it's done. There we go. So after a few minutes, my video is ready. As you can see, it's actually exactly what I requested. So if I now tap on that video, I can stop it or play it again, and then I can download it if I want to, or in the top right, I can go and delete it, see details, or basically I kind of share it if I want to as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.